Should we turn the Eagle Piggles down?
Yeah.
What is it?
Turn it off.
What is it? What is it?
You rip it.
Come on,
rip
then.
it.
Hi, Thomas.
Oh, wow. Oh, Thomas.
Give it a good rip. Good rip. Big rip.
Oh.
Whoa.
Thank you. Thank you.
Should we rip it?
Pull that. Pull that. Oh.
What did Santi bring? He brought a
What is that?
big one. Yay!
Yay! What's this? Should we turn it round? What's that, Thomas?
Look. That's a garage. What you got?
Should we open it up?
Oh, look, it's beautiful.
We might need some.
Yeah.
You can stop filming now.
Yeah.